likes sizzling noise.
Okay, guys, it's me, Son of the 2016. It's me from OG from the Horror, and today we're playing Run Remake, but it's orange, and I already saw the monster already. It is just like Run.
Oh, this is where he was at. This is where he was at. I just saw him. Yo, I just saw him. Where? He was over there. Which will happen to the OG goal? Over there.
I'm climbing up.
I saw him. Yo, I saw him too. I see him down there. Go, bro. I seen a red light down there. What map are you on? See that dude there? I saw his face. Why is everybody on map? Because we got a new update. No, it didn't. Yes, it did. Yeah, where's the Smiler? You see, that's always been here. No, I'm not that innocent. The Smiler's always been here. I played it today. The Smiler's always been here.
Yeah.
I'm not that innocent. The Smiler, where are you? Alright, bro, I'm gonna get off. They're running a remake because they say the Smiler.
Yo, he has long arms.
He's not new. Smiler's not new. Yeah, he's not new. Yo, Smiler's not new. We've all known over. I mean, close. 2 years. Maybe y'all just got the game and thought it.
My thumb is literally broken.
Bro, where's the Smiler? I don't see him anymore.
My thumb is broken.
I don't think we should run down here, Black. I don't think we are. No,
It's coming! It's coming!
I don't think so. Talk about your friend. I feel like we're cooked. I feel like we're cooked. Not cooked. People saying this update about the Smiler. It's not. It's not. It's not. I know. It's not. They gotta understand. I've played this game.
I'm just in the walls.
I've played this game forever. I only played this game for like 1 year, 2 years. Let's go find the Smiler. I played this game since April when the Smiler came out. Did you hear that? Something's down this hallway. Yeah, I know. I wouldn't prefer the door. I would say we would get this way. Oh my god. I like you. Well, I saw it again. I saw the Smiler again. Go to Run Remake. Come here. What did they do? They spawned Remake. Oh yeah, put Smiler. They did not spawn the Smiler. Smiler's always been. Smiler's always been Smile.
But they're not always be there because of the lights are red.
Yeah, because of my reindeer. I did play this. Smiler's not even here.
Why do I have like
Smiler's not new. He's always been on these creatures. That's it. I think something's down this hallway. No, it's behind us.
Stop scaring me.
Guys, let's go in the hallway! Guys, everybody, let's go in the hallway. Let's get out of this place.
But we have to find the monster.
Yo, oh, it's done! It's done! I see it. Oh. Finally, freedom. I got some clips of it. I got one.
No, you left.
The Smiler's not new, bro.
Finally.
Scary. It's always been here.
No, but now it was always here.
Bring 3 monsters. Bro, we was trying to go to a different map, bro. Y'all think Run Remake's so good, but it's really bad. Why don't you not do that? It's kind of boring. Y'all want to go to meetup? Y'all want to do meetup? That's what I'm saying. Run Remake is actually boring. Like to do corner. All you do is get chased by a monster and then you just get
I've been played corner.
and you go down dark hallways. Like, bro, it's not even that scary.
No! It's there!
It's the guy.
I'm gonna die!
Yeah. That dude's not there.
Guys,
That dude will be dead.
well, I'm going back.
I don't know what's
Well, I don't know why y'all following me.
This is boring.
Because I died over here. Bro,
All I'm doing is different.
I like you. Second one, give a
They fixed the doors.
This is boring. I want to meet up.
I'm closing the door immediately.
Oh,
They
that
fixed
Skybox.
the doors and
Cool, I'm
meet
not
up.
playing that.
They fixed the doors and meet up.
Yeah, I'm going to
They
meet
fixed
up.
the doors and meet up.
I'm going to meet up.
I'm going in meet up. I'm going
Yeah,
in
me
meet up.
too.
The skybox something.
No, don't go ahead.
Go to meet up. Go to meet up.
No, meet up buns. It's just a black bean chasing you.
Let's go here. Skybox.
Let's go crossface.
No, we're not going there.
What about place? Crossface, crossface. At least we don't gotta join a code. I'm just saying.
Bro, crossface.
Go.
Bro, I hate crossface. Bro, crossface is terrible.
Deal with it, boy. Bro, it's so scary, bro. Like, honestly.
Bro,
It's not even
not.
scary.
All you're getting, all you're doing is
What a Sigma. What a Sigma. What a Sigma. What a Sigma.
What is it doing here?
Sigma.
Why did not get here? Why is not get here? Why so many things?
What a Sigma. What a Sigma.
This is broken.
What a Sigma. What a Sigma.
This is broken. This is broken. This is broken. Yo, that was broken.
No, mean
guys are so cooked.
Would you look at
Bro, they were cooking us.
What is your name, man? Jackson. Well. Would you look at that?
A stupid
Would you look at
idiot.
that? Jackson wasn't lying. They're actually out. What? Thank you for showing me this. Yeah, they're actually out. Wait, what? No, Jackson wasn't lying. What the hell?
I told you.
Well,
I hate
Jackson.
crossface.
Jackson!
Everyone leave the map.
Jackson wasn't lying, yo. They're
Bro,
actually out.
walk forward. Walk forward.
Move the monster, please, man.
I told you I hate
Someone move the
crossface. I
monster.
said I hate crossface. Frozen, everyone
and
leave
that's why
the
that
map.
monster
gets got in. There's
Guys, you can't buy him, though. You can't buy him.
Move forward in real life. Shut up, you
They don't let you
nigger.
buy him, though. You can't buy him.
What? What?
You literally just can't buy him. Move the monster,
Well, I'm going to crossface.
Bro,
What a Sigma.
nothing you can do.
What a Sigma.
What a Sigma. What a Sigma.
What a Sigma.
What a Sigma.
What a Sigma.
What a Sigma.
Sigma.
What a Sigma.
What a Sigma.
What a Sigma.
Alvin!
What a Sigma.
Sigma.
What a 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 Sigma.
My brain is stupid!
What a Sigma.
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 What a
What a
Sigma.
Sigma. What a Sigma.
Sigma.
What a Sigma.
What a Sigma.
What a Sigma.
That's why everybody, I think that's why everybody hates crossface. No, actually, they're not actually monsters, you know. Oh, I think I know what racist means. Listen, I know what that means. Homophobic. Yeah. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I know what that means. I mean, I know what that means. I mean, I know what that is.
There's like no.
They say this.
What? Skybox?
I'm going to forest. I'm going to forest.
Guys, they're in Skybox. They're in Skybox. I found out.
Where's Skybox?
Let's go get them.
Yes!
They're in Skybox. Where's Skybox? I'm like farther than y'all.
What is this?
Why are you guys all the way over here?
I have no idea.
No, go back. Guys, I think we're far away from
Run, boy! Run! He's after you! He's after you! Run like the wind! No! Okay, the Bills! Okay, the Bills! Please! Just give me another month! Just give me another month! Just please give me another month!
Oh no!
What are y'all screaming so loud for?
No. I can't
I want to know what the monster looks like.
Yellow, go! Go, yellow, go! Oh my God! Come over here! Oh wow! Oh God!
I want to know what the monster looks like.
Wait, is he going? Is he coming this way? Wait, is he coming this way?
Huh?
Is he coming?
Yes, he is!
Wait, guys,
That's
guys, you're not coming.
Okay, guys, we're good. There's nothing to worry about, everyone. We're all fine. He's
Bro, how the fuck am I even casting?
Go red, go red!
Behind us! Behind us!
Yo, what's up, everyone? It's a birthday!
It's right there! Kaboom, the Grizzly Tower. Take a right.
You're not coming this way, right? You're not coming this way, right? You got them, you got them.
Whoever said that was
He's after you, he's after you, run blue!
Hey, purple!
You guys, okay, wait.
Don't worry, guys. He's not there.
We're good, we're good. Everything's fine, everything's fine. Yo, Monster, how's your day?
What is wrong with him? What is wrong with him?
They're coming this way, right? Yeah, they're coming this way, right? No, it's not. No, it's not. We're good. They got some fighters. Nothing to worry about.
Never mind, Uncle Gerald doesn't like us.
Why am I screaming?
Nothing to worry about. You guys are all fine. Did you just fell? Hey, Red.
Gonna tickle my
Sure, come over here.
Can I come with
Come
you?
over here, Pink. I'll give you a big fucking. Give me a big sloppy toppy. Get back here. I'm gonna finger your bowl. I'm gonna finger you. Come here.
What?
No, good. I'm good, man.
Do it to me! Do it to me! No!
We're not coming this way. It's not going this way. We're all fine. See, it's not coming this way.
Oh, he's not moving! He's not moving!
Well, I'm sacrificing myself.
It's not.
I don't care
We're
what.
good. We're good. See, it's not coming.
Yo, Pink, I feel right.
See, I told you, man. It's not coming.
Hey, Silver Monster, over here.
Oh no.
Oh, no.
No, it's not coming this way.
Come
No, it's not coming this way. It's not coming this way, right?
What is this?
No, he's not.
Everything right there.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, he's not
My bad.
Everything's over.
I just thought it was coming, you know.
If you scream
Wait,
over
hang
time,
on. Yeah, it might be spreading my sauce.
your butthole. Scream one more time.
Be quiet, everybody. Look, I have an announcement.
Shadow the Hedgehog is a big ass motherfucker. He pissed on my fucking wife. Yeah, that's right. He pissed on my flipping wife.
Monster has
I saw it. I saw the monster. I know what the monster looks like.
The monster's there. We know what he looks like. That's
Yeah.
you guys.
Well, I never been in it before.
He's trying to molest me. People actually die to this goober?
Yes,
I
he's fast.
survived!
Oh my god, I
survived!
Yeah, he's faster than my car. He goes 20 miles per hour. He goes 25 miles per hour. He goes 200 miles per hour every time. I can't speak. Sorry, I'm just not gonna talk.
Red, he's not coming this way.
there's
Why are you running, Red?
Red, I see you.
I'm not running away from you.
No, it's not easy. The game's
Oh no. Oh no.
Let's go! Now let's go. Pink!
Pink, I think it's better for you to run. Run, Pink.
I'm running. I'm running. Hey, one of these.
Run. It's after a poor monkey. That's so sad.
Anderson? What the? Come here. Guys, come over here. Come over here.
I'm not
Bro,
going
Diddy
more
is not
near
catching
him.
me, bro. Diddy is not catching me. Diddy is not catching me,
I'm
bro.
tapping you
Who do
also.
you think I am?
Bro,
Did I just
bro,
read
Diddy is
his
not
phone?
catching me, bro.
Monster,
I'm gonna
spread
be
white,
able to
Diddy.
spread white sauce in my face. I'm gonna be able to like veins.
No, I just spawned right next to it. Run, Pink!
Can I come with you?
He's gonna get me. He's gonna get me. I'm dead.
No!
Pig!
No!
Pig!
Remember,
Run
Pink,
as
go out
fast
here.
as you
Oh,
can!
never mind, you survived.
Run as fast as you can! Run! Over here! I will sacrifice myself! I will sacrifice myself! Hey, put white monsters! I'm gonna sacrifice!
Guys. Oh, where's that?
Hey, money screen pin!
I'm gonna clap you. You act
Clap me then. Clap me.
I'm
You.
Where's the monster?
No, I just to
No,
get
this
you
is a
guys.
new map. What are you doing?
No.
I just got jump scared.
Run remake.
It's not after us, right?
Nobody
It's not after us, right?
Go this way, go this way.
I'm big!
Oh no, not that way. Oh no. No.
Bro, we're not doing no freaking match.
Yo, calm down!
I'm the best.
This is crazy.
I'm the
No, it's just a monster! It's just a monster! It's just a monster! It's just a monster! His name is scary!
I don't want to be blocked by cocaine. Oh, God.
Yellow, run! Run, Yellow! I believe in you! No!
Go! Keep going!
Run! Remember Cruz! Never!
Boy, spawned like all the crime.
Put your pee-pee in the
Johnny, stop!
This is funny.
Johnny, stop! Let's don't skid too.
Johnny,
Damn!
Oh, my booty be like gnarliest part.
My butt is hard for Nelly.
I just bought
Johnny,
here.
stop!
Hanger.
Johnny, stop! I'm gonna piss myself. Oh god, I'm gonna piss
I'm
myself.
running fast as I can.
I'll drink it.
I think
This is not funny!
You guys need to stop. I'm gonna like piss myself.
Yo, chill. It's got me.
Can I say something? Yo, Pink, Pink.
Hi.
Can I say something?
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, I'm closer. I kind of was.
Y'all need to stop.
Why are you running from
Guys,
me?
you want to see my cartoon run?
He seems friendly. I think
Can I
that's
see
a
a monster?
I don't know. No, please. I'm so young.
I just got jump scared.
I don't care.
What? What did I do?
This game is so funny and it's not chasing you, man.
What?
Yo, don't follow me. Don't follow me.
can't hear
Yo,
you.
do not follow me.
Touch
Yo,
me!
yo, yo,
Touch me!
yo.
Touch me!
I can barely understand what you're saying.
Just give me another one. Please. Oh, just pay the bills.
I just died by the monster. I just died by the monster.
Me as in for a second. Close to me.
Wait a minute. Sprite, Fanta. You don't have to. You don't want to be different. Yeah, Cookie. Go get this guy. Go get this guy. Yeah, Cookie. Don't go kill this guy. Corrupt nature. Corrupt nature.
I love Mother Nature.
I'm playing cruise music right now.
No, you're not. I don't hear it.
Feel the burn.
I'm not playing it. I don't hear it. You guys need to stop playing it. I'm gonna
Release the baby.
You gotta be kidding me!
He's not playing the music. I don't hear it. He's not playing the music. Okay.
What is This is how I told you it. Me being a cook monkey.
Wait, jump down. There's a cool thing down there. Jump. We know what's down there.
You wanna ban me?
Yeah, no, I've been down there. I got a freak food.
Whoa! What do you mean by that?
Yo, what's up, Pink? Yo, can I shove it in your mouth?
Y'all need to stop screaming because I'm gonna like piss myself. Oh shit.
Painting on my feet.
Pink, let me do it. Let me do it with you. Want to sleep with me?
Let me out.
Want to sleep with me, Pink?
Oh my god.
He's reading me buds! He's reading me buds!
My closest. Bring back good memories.
This is kind of messed up.
Yeah, you're telling me.
You guys, I'm getting off. Please.
Wait, Pink, are you leaving?
Yeah, I'm leaving. Bye, y'all.
Monsters right
Okay,
there.
bye, Pink. Bye. Have a good day, man.
Tickle the monster. Tickle cupcake. I'm not coming everywhere.
That is blind.
Hey, you want
What's that coming, guys? We're good. We're good, man. We're good.
Put your baby in my butt!
It's not coming, guys. We're good. We're good.
It's about to come.
Come on, man. He's charged. Bring me
Yeah,
the
it's
tickle
not.
back.
We're good, man. We're good. We're good.
We're good to go.
No, we're not done. It's gonna move in a few seconds.
He's starting to
No,
slow
it's
down.
not.
2,
Listen,
1.
look at it. It's not even moving. We're all fine.
You're underclassed. Why is my popsicle black?
See, guys, we're fine. We're fine. No one need to worry.
What's wrong with you? My popsicle is black.
Hello, mister. Everybody
Why?
Not now.
Thunderclap.
Black.
Like,
How
see-
did-
see?
why
No,
is
we
that
gotta
your
go
least
favorite
up
color?
to it.
Is that your least
No, we
favorite
gotta
color?
come from behind and give him the thunderclap. Stop it! He's not moving.
I'm big.
I think Bro lost his
We gotta run like drugs. We gotta be strong like drugs. We gotta get the Guys, remember, just be a cartoon character. He's running. Stop running in the sky like
You're cooked, man. You're just gone. You're a goner, man. You're a goner. You're a goner. I'm sorry.
It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. It's
You're a
coming.
goner, man.
It's coming. It's coming.
Guys, come this way, trust.
Oh, wait, no, the monster's close.
Nasty.
Oh, got
Nah, he got stuck in there. You know what that means. Guys, I'll get him out like I did last time. Guys, I'll get him out like I did last time, bro. Trust. Boy. Give him that thunderclap, bro. You're in the perfect position. Yeah. Can I this butt? Guys, I'm gonna wake him up. Why me? Oh my God. Did the thunderclap method work?
What is this? Is that
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna bust. Wow.
Oh my.
Oh, yeah. I gotta go.
Bro, why is that dumpster so loud?
Why is the most cold? Yo, please don't choose me. It did not choose me. It chose me. I'm the chosen one. Oh, thank you.
I'm the chosen one.
No, I fell down.
You're not the chosen one. Yo, what? I just have that one.
Motherfucker!
Oh no! Peace, guys! Peace, guys!
Oh God!
Yo, you chose us. He chose. I'm the chosen. Fuck you.
What? Yo, what, guys? Peace, everybody!
Yeah, I do.
Yo, green! Lime! Green!
Green.
It's running! Go and run!
Rude.
Let me get
Best run. Yeah, but it's coming this way.
You want peace?
Coming, coming. Run, run.
I'm a bun. I'm a take the kick, bud.
Why are you the run this?
Have fun.
Oh, that's a monster.
And my controller's dead, so I don't know what's doing. I'm a bun. I'm a bun. I'm a bun.
I get a little Roblox studio video.
Run.
What did I do to you? What did I do to you? Hey, fool, what did I do to you? No, why are you wrong me? Hey, fool, what did I do to you? Hey, fool, it's me, Mark.
Hell no.
That white monkey.
What did I do to you?
Hey, what's
I
that?
didn't mean to do that, fool.
It's Chelsea. You best run. You best run.
Wait.
I'm a
Oh my god!
But what's up? Yo, Dad, what are you doing?
Just a pop. Peekaboo.
No!
Bro, not the little baby they chill.
Chelsea us? Alright, it's fucking Chelsea us. It's Chelsea us. It's Chelsea us. No,
I'm the biggest pack. It was the other way.
Let me snap you. Let me snap you, bro. Let me snap you. Let me snap you, bro. Look, mom.
Oh, it's coming. Oh, it's done. Oh, it's coming. Oh, it's gang close. It's gang close. It's gang close. Green.
Yo, I can't tell if he's getting closer or not.
Yeah.
Where's the monster? Oh, there it is.
Yeah, he's not there. He's trying to touch your face. He keeps getting you. Trying to No. Oh,
Miscalculation, bro.
No.
Not even coming this way.
No.
Why are you flying?
It's going out. No, it doesn't matter if he's going to that side. I'm going to that side.
Don't go.
I can't tell.
It's coming!
Hey, this is kind of a problem.
Somebody's done it.
Is that the monster?
Bro, swear to God. Is he getting closer?
Run.
He keeps switching.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. I can't tell if he's coming closer. I think he's closer. Hey, what's up, Luke? He is soft.
Guys, we might have to jump off. That might be our only way. Nah,
Yeah.
bro. Yeah, I'll be okay. I'm jumping. Nah, bro.
Why are you trying to get me? Nah, I didn't do nothing,
God.
You bet.
This shot is bad.
He's a Mexican.
Fool, you better not turn Mexican.
Is he Mexican?
Bro.
Oh my God. Yeah, fool, I'm Mexican. What you talking about?
Guys, nobody can see me like
Nicole.
up here.
Hey, fool. You don't
Down.
have to. Is he flaking? I kill monsters every day.
Guys,
The worst nightmare
Nicholas,
is
what I'm seeing. I said, Nerita, come here. I think Bruce tweaking.
Guys,
I think
Guys,
I
tweaking.
got diarrhea because that's a Taco Bell. Yo, he's tweaking.
Diarrhea.
Someone touched me.
Bro, do you know it's clutching right now? Ah, it's clutching really good. It's clutching. It's cooking. 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 It's cooking.
Oh, they gotta get me.
No.
I'm safe.
Oh, he's not cooking.
Oh, red, it's okay.
Hey, fool. No,
He's cooking.
I'm coming
Yo,
out.
he's cooking. Yo, he's cooking. Yo, he's cooking. He's cooking. Bro, he's cooking. Look at that big black. Oh, wait. Good thing I survived.
And extension. Hey, Blue, come back. Blue, come back. Oh, first. He's over here.
Nickel.
I'm going to meet up.
Come here. You. Come here.
Because everybody...
Meet up.
Yeah, meet up.
Fix bugs with unknown networking. Come on.
Hi.
In here, marathon.
Oh man, I'm a fan. Meet up?
Wait, hold on.
Are we doing meet up? What is everybody doing?
You out from the lobby.
try
Kicks you out from the lobby.
Let's go to Forest.
Tristan, what kind of
Try to run.
Hello? Oh, there.
I peed on my grandma. What the hell?
Nobody's in Forest. Nobody's in Forest.
Forest sucks. That's
Yeah, no,
why.
get it.
But why Forest
about
sucks?
Yo, guys,
It's so boring.
where should we go?
man.
Guys,
Let's
should
go
we
in
go?
here. Let's go in here.
No, not Skyblock, bro. Dude, it's not scary. It's just blocks.
Boom.
Skybox is just the monsters
They're
like
disgusting. They're just
Ooh, sandbox.
Hello?
Hi.
Hey, can you speak? Dude.
Yes, I
what
can
is this
speak.
place?
I can speak.
Yeah, I know. I can hear you. Can you hear me?
This is sandbox. I never been in this before, but
Same here.
I am Steve.
Yeah, cool.
So what's six Lenine? Flint and Steel. Ah! Same when I say for the hill, say for the back, cause it doesn't tell up. Hi. Sing. What the? Oh, land in this block. No. stay foot. Till I sing with you. Shaka chaka. Sing back a seat till. Hello. And sing when the sea for the I sing for the about the scene that there. Oh, I got that. Okay, guys. So now it's kind of boring. So I'll see you in the next video. I record kind of like all the time about that, but I'm not sure if I like Scary Bamboo. Well you guys are playing. I'm gonna play Scary Bamboo. Well, I'm gonna play Scary Monster. So peace, guys. Wait, peace, guys.